Hello, welcome to Computer Retro Bus. In today's episode, we're going to be doing one of my favourite things, which is going onto Facebook Marketplace and seeing if we can find ourselves some cool retro bargains. Finding good bargains on eBay are long gone, but you can always get something really well priced and nice and close by on Facebook Marketplace. Let's see what we can find. So I found a listing that was pretty close by. It had 4 computers in it total, and he only wanted $20 for it. What really grabbed my attention was that he had a sound blaster with the drive bay and a Pentium 4 machine, it looks like. So I thought that's pretty damn good. I was really after one of those, and you know what? It was worth the price just for that. So I quickly reached out and arranged a pickup. Let's go check these computers out, shall we? We have a typical spring day in Australia. 4 seasons in one day. Okay, looks like this is the house. Let's see what we got. Okay, got all 4 machines at home and see what we're dealing with. Okay, so this is the one that really drew my attention. Looks like a Pentium 4 in a typical early 2000s sort of case. If you have a closer look, so this is what really drew my attention when I saw it on the ad. These are hard to come by. There's also a Sound Blaster Live version of this, but this is the awesome Audigy 2. We've got a DVD writer and also DVD-ROM here. Typical plasticky, nasty case from the era. These buttons are pretty crusty. What's this? Oh, it's a little, I'm guessing there's something behind that. No. No, not going to give. Oh, here we go. Oh, yes. The USB and audio front. Lovely. Got our Windows XP sticker on the side here. Bit of a plexiglass. ID cables all over the shop. The Pentium 4 cooler, which is typical of that era. Let's have a look on the back. Oh, yeah, got a bit of corrosion going on here. We got PS2 ports. Digital out. Oh, Firewire. Usually the more deluxe versions of the motherboard tended to have that. Network, onboard audio, video card of some description, bit of corrosion. Oh, this looks like a TV tuner card. That's going to be interesting. I'm guessing that's going to be the Audigy. That looks pretty cool. The Firewire out as well. Game port and a good old modem. Oh my. Oh. Alright, this is pretty crazy dusty in here. You gotta really see it to believe it. Wow, look at this. This has not been open in quite a while, I'd say. Okay, look at this. This is absolutely clogged up. Cannot see the fins. No airflow in there. Caps look okay. Looking good. Alright, Audigy front panel in there somewhere. And 2 DVD drives. And we have 2 hard drives. Very cool. Alright, video card. The TV tuner. Sound card. And our modem. This is pretty crazy. I'm going to take this outside. Okay, here we go. Let's get these cards out. Ooh, the dreaded GeForce FX. I remember this had such a bad reputation when it came out. For some reason, people look at it fondly now. Okay, let's have what's the next one. There we go, PixelView TV tuner card. The piece de resistance. The whole reason I even went and grabbed this beautiful thing here, the Sound Blaster Audigy 2. And last but not least, our modem. Okay, so it's really dusty in there. I need to get this all out and cleaned. Let's see how we go with this cooler. Okay, let's try and get this bad boy out of here. Alright. Oh, here we go. Classic, right? I hope that's thermal paste and not epoxy. I really do. Okay, so I've managed to get the heatsink off. It's pretty... Oh man, it's nasty in there. Oh my god. But... Oh, this stuff is really hard. I can't even scratch it off. So I'm really concerned that this might be epoxy. Someone's really gone hardcore on this. Okay, I'm really nervous about trying to get this thing back in. There's a slight bend in one of the pins as well, so trying to put that whole thing back in with the heatsink and fan, I'm scared I'm going to do more damage. So I figure this is the last chance saloon. I'll try and heat it up with the hairdryer and pray to the gods. Yes. Woohoo! So there it is, all cleaned up. We've got a Pentium 4 3 GHz, 512 meg of cache, and 800 FSB. Yeah, a bit of a concerning burn mark in the middle. Let's see how we go with that. Okay, this thing really is next level dusty. I really didn't want to pull out the motherboard, but I think I'm going to have to. Okay, we have the motherboard out. It is an ASUS P4P800. As mentioned earlier, all 4 RAM banks are full. 512 mega each. Go ahead and clean that up. Alright, I think I'm going to call it a day. It's been a long one. This has turned out to be a little bit bigger than I expected. Got all the parts here, ready to go. Case still needs to be cleaned out though, it's pretty filthy. I'll continue this tomorrow. Alright, time to clean out the dust. But look at this. Whoever built this system did not muck around. I've never seen these 4 screws for each drive on both sides. Okay, it's looking much better. Not exactly new, but much more respectable. Okay, so I've got these slot covers just popped out. I'm going to throw these out. These are all rusted out. Yeah, you really got to make sure your tetanus shots are up to date in this hobby, don't you? Okay, so this is what we have to work with. We have a motherboard, an ASUS, what is it, P4P800 with our Intel Pentium 4 3 GHz. We have 2 GB of RAM, 4 512 meg sticks. We've got a PixelView video tuner and capture card, and also apparently it does FM radio. There you go. The awesome Audigy 2ZS. Cleaned up fan, dial-up modem, and our GeForce FX 5600, that's what it was, and 2 Western Digital 1600 drives. So 160 gigabyte drives each. Let's get these cards back on. Okay, I think we are good to go. And this is funny. He's got 8 screws for each drive here. They're not going anywhere. But he's only got 2 for the power supply. It's just shaking. So this guy and this guy, nowhere to be seen. I'll sort that out. Okay, here we go. Plugged everything in. Now, time to see if I did a good job or not. I think I've plugged in everything right, so we're going to find out in a second. I can see a little green LED lit up on the motherboard, which is always a good sign. Okay, let's see. Turn the monitor on. Button. Alright, fans are spinning. This is good. Beautiful. FX 5600 with 256 meg of RAM. God, that sounds atrocious. CMOS settings, of course. The operating system, Windows XP. Looks like it's all working. This is clearly somebody's machine at the time. It's got operating system, hard drives, and a lot of someone's files. So good to see that it's working. I'm going to remove everyone, probably format these disks and get rid of all this person's personal information which they've left on here. Okay, so there we have it. It was great to bring this beast back from the dead. A lot of fun. I'm so glad that it worked. In my next video, what we'll do is format these hard drives, get a fresh copy of Windows XP, run some diagnostic tools, CPU-Z, run some benchmarks, install some games from that era, and have a bit of fun with it. So yeah, really excited, a lot of fun. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.